Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Carrington Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Carrington Mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as carringtonmortgage.com. In my case, is the first one. And now you are in the official website of Carrington Mortgage. Then tap on the customer login. And now you need to provide your login credentials to log into your Carrington Mortgage account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. And type your password in the text field given for password. If you have forgotten your password or username, you can reset it by tapping on this text that says forgot username or password. You can also create an account if you don't have one by tapping on this button that says register your Carrington loan. Now to log into Carrington Mortgage, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.